Welcome to TechnoTutor TV, your channel for quick and practical tech tutorials. Subscribe now to stay updated and make the most of your digital world. If you're looking to enable Wi-Fi on your Windows 10 device, follow these simple steps. Click the Windows Start button and select Settings. This will open the main configuration menu where you can adjust various system options. In the Settings menu, choose Network and Internet. Here, you can manage all network connections, including Wi-Fi and Ethernet. In the Status section, locate and click on Network and Sharing Center. This will allow you to view and modify your network settings. Once there, select Change Adapter Settings. You'll see a list of all network adapters available on your device. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it, and select Enable to activate the connection if it was previously disabled. Next, navigate to this PC, right-click, and select Properties. Then open Device Manager from the left-hand menu. Under Network Adapters, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver to ensure it's using the latest version. Go back to Settings, select System, then Notifications and Actions. Click on Add or Remove Quick Actions and make sure Wi-Fi is enabled as a quick action. Finally, open the Services app from the Start menu. Search for WLAN Auto Config, right-click on it, select Properties, and set its status to Manual if needed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Subscribe to TechnoTutor TV for more practical tech tutorials. See you in the next video.